Good morning, everyone. This is Aftab. How is everyone doing? One moment, okay? One moment. So, looking at gold, again. Did you see gold? What it did? My friend, you see? Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh, just see, okay? Just see. Did you guys book your profits at 41.50? Right here. Oh, fantastic. Actually, yesterday I took some tradings right here. First thing first. Very sorry, I came almost 55 minutes late. But now you ask me why I come late to the stream. This is you have to ask me that Aftab, was everything okay that you came late? Yes, my friend. Yes, everything is okay, and I'm coming from a very good place. Oh wow, my friend, look at my pound dollar. It's going very nicely. So ask me, where was I? I was in a very special and productive meeting for all of you. Yes, and if the output is good, it is going to change literally everything. So did you saw this trade? Let me show you my yesterday's trade first. After the live stream, the one that I took. Uh, Period separators, okay, where is that? Yesterday, this is today, this is yesterday. But for some reason it is not showing history for my yesterday's trades. But anyways, whatever the situation is, I'm not sure why it is this MT4 is sometimes crazy. Okay, let me hide and then let's see what happened to this MT4. It's just flickering. Let's see again. Yes, here is those yesterday's trades. Let me show you. Oh, first let me check the audio, video and everything, okay? Good, good. So, and yes, today is 57 number session. Yesterday, the trade that I took, several trades actually. One was 0.05 and it was right here. Let's see, okay. There was this this buy trade. See, this is I guess that yes, this is 0.05 trade right here, this one. Can you see? This is 0.05 and I booked around 105 pips on it. Then I had this sell trade, and because this was a 0.01 sell trade from here. From here I thought it's breaking below and then I got stuck in this sell. But when everything was confirmed, I booked opened this 0.05. Then one buy trade. Yes, this one was already running. Make sure to check out yesterday's stream and you will understand a lot of the concepts and the things. It was a very much informational session yesterday. Yes, my friend. As I promise, if you stay with me right here, believe me, you are going to get something with you. Some new concept, some new information, something about the candlestick. something about the market structure, something about the pattern, huh? Because every day the market is different. Every day the market is different, so every day you learn something. Clear? You didn't ask me why I came late, but anyways, and you also didn't give me thumbs up on the stream till now so far. Yes, my friend, don't think that my eyes are not on these likes and these stuff. Yes, my eyes and everything is here. So what did I say in the weekly forecast as well? What did I say? Do you get that? Now if one did not made profit, I'm a bit upset from you, because see, today is Tuesday and I discussed it on yesterday. So my portion of profit was this much, obviously. But if you see my yesterday stream, clearly you will get it. Clearly you will get the idea. And even if you see my weekly forex forecast 4150, remember, when I analyze the markets in such a way that immediately I get a new move of the market. What the market is going to do? Immediately I know that. So it was a very fantastic day. Now let's see what I'm going to trade today. This week I'm on a mission to take this account to 1500. Okay. How that will be if I get good opportunities. Ah, my friend, I forgot to bring the cells of my mouse. Anyways, see, all of these trades I took with you. Okay, all of these trades I took with you. And how much profit is this? The account was 960 and now it is 1217. 1212, sorry, this trade is running. Let's go to a little bit the pound side, okay? Because I have an active trade from yesterday on the pound dollar as well. Wow, my friend, look at it. I mean, look at it. I took it yesterday, okay? But my friend, the danger is still there. In such situation, I will be keep observing this level, no doubt, okay? Because this is going to be a separate breakout retest level. One is that thing. Strong bulls come, take the market up. That is something else. But if the volume remain the same, then maybe this is, I will be treating it as a next level. So in terms of pips, how much? 27 pips it's giving me till now so far, because this is a currency pair obviously. Then the dollar CH, dollar yen, I will be introducing more pairs for you, okay, so don't worry. But gold is my favorite. This is pound yen. This is, just give me a few moments to read these markets, because the whole day I had no other meetings, so the whole day I was away from PC. Ah, my friend, did you remember yesterday what I said? This market most probably is coming back down from there till here. Mouse is going to give me again a bad time, so anyways, let me use the trackpad. So the thing right here is, my friends, let it drop, okay? I was about to take a sell, but the broker was not allowing me to open less than one lot, and I was not willing on this account to trade one lot. But overall, the analysis worked very well. Then the US 30, I did not touch it. Ah, my friends. This I discussed yesterday and the day before that. So someone asked me about this S&P 500, so made good profit. Whoever asked me, I gave, market was right here, then I said okay, if it go up there you can prepare for a sell. So yes, that sell worked very nicely. Okay, now this is right here, maybe a sell, maybe not a sell, can be a sell. Let's see DE 4030. Oh my friend, yesterday my opinion on this one was that if it go up there I will be looking for a sell opportunity, and if it go down till here on the H1 I will be buying. So pretty much it worked nicely. In terms of pips, if I count, this is around too much pips. Okay, too much in thousands. So I think yes, if it breaks above and breaks into this zone, you see this one, there is a likely chance it can continue bullish, breakout, retest, and then continuation. So nice one. And then this is gold, that yesterday's zone right here, you see. And yesterday, please promise me that you will see that yesterday's stream, it was full of information. I gave this 4068 trade very clearly. I explained it. Then see, above this level a breakout, then came back down, took a retest and continue bullish. Have a look at it on the 15-minute. See how simple it was. Now the thing is, now let's focus on the present moment. Okay, what was supposed to be happening that happened. So actually let me clear this chart completely. Fantastic week, opening of the week yesterday, fantastic one. Now my friend, if I show you this, oh, I think again I'm today like taking a little bit of stress. How do I hide it? Today, my friend, if we see right here, right here, in order to understand what this market is doing, we need to understand what the market already did. Let me head over to your chat. If I have audience, I will explain it. If I have no one, then I will just look at the market. Just two people watching me right now. Chat right here. Who is watching me? Can you please let me know who is with me? Who is with me in the chat? Let me know, because if I have no one, then I don't like to explain further. See, this is now gold. Okay, now pay very close attention, because what I'm going to tell you, no one is going to tell you these things. This is a very beautiful market. Understand this whole story. This whole story started all the way when, from approximately here. and I want to do the Fibonacci stuff. So when I measure, I see, okay, there is this level we have. Pay very close attention. Now the logic side, okay, I'm explaining that. I am explaining that. This story started all the way from right here, and it has an end point as well. All the way from right here. Let me activate pen as well. Don't get bored. We will be getting trade today. Okay, I will be giving you a trade right here. So yes, don't just get bored. Your brother Aftab is right here, and we will be trading. We will be making profit. Yes, this is my slogan. But my friend, proper patience. That's important. So where is that pen? How do I activate it? Huh, right here it is. Epic pen content surface display 1. Yes, this is good. Good. Now let's see, okay. The thing is, my friends, now see, okay. Okay, Elizabeth Malidu, I'm with you. Oh, thank you so much, Elizabeth. That's great. There is news coming in 16 minutes. Oh, I will be looking at that. PS Kumar Reddy, sir. Namaste, Kumar Reddy. यूरदी शॉर्ट होगा मैं क्या हूँ Rafat legend. What type of a question is this, dear? Euro USD will short. Let's see, okay, let's see. Stay with me. We are going to see that market is not going anywhere, my friends. Sit tight, well seated, comfortable, relax. We will be trading today. We will be trading today. What type of news is coming out today? Let me also check it out. Today is Tuesday, and my friend, yesterday was a very fantastic core PPI month on month, core retail sales month on month, PPI month on month, retail sales month on month. Wow, I think there might be something happening. Okay, just see. So if we have less time, my friend, then let's quickly analyze the stuff that, okay, what we are going to do next. So okay, I will explain it, but stay with me first. Ooh, impulsive leg, correction, double bottom, continuation, back down, back up, maybe back down, and this. Well, makes sense, not bad. But let's say if I am going to trade it to the bullish side, how do I trade it? After all, this is the main thing. If I'm trading the market, how I will be trading it? This is the main thing. But the market is standing near a sell price point, so what should I do now? Because the sellers are already holding sell positions. And also, let me tell you, simple things, simple. This. Now, my friends, just have a look at it. Yesterday, I said 41.50. What the market is doing right now? 41.50 gave a sell trade, which means this is a sell level. But are we going to sell? Well, personally, let's see. A trader can sell, a trader can buy, and if I'm going to buy, where I will be looking for a buy? Okay, maybe a pullback, and then upon a pullback, my friend, if a pullback occurs back to 4054, that can be a type of a jackpot entry on the news. But if it continue bullish, then my friend, there is one ABCD as well. Okay, where is that ABCD? That ABCD is right here. Where was this line? Then my friend, gold is also going to show us this, but it is in the hands of sellers, whether they want to push it back down from there till here, another 1300, around 1200 pips back down, or are they going to give us a breakout? So then there will be this level as well. This is in the middle level, maybe a spike 42, 41. So 4200 also seems good for a sell. Actually, this is in a sell at the moment, because below 41, 45 it is a sell. Now trading it, not trading it, that is something else. Have a look at it right here. This level is now defending, okay, and I will be studying it a little bit. Have a look at it. Beautiful structure, I should say. Fantastic structure this is. Have a look at it. Market, what is this level? This is breakout level. At this point, is this a breakout level to the buy side or to the sell side? To the sell side, which means breakout or bearish breakout, followed by a retest as well. Now, do you have any idea what this data tells us? It tells us that a breakout occurs and then a retest occurs at the same level, making it a lucrative trade opportunity for the sellers. And then what happened next? After that, it found support, came back down, double bottom, retest, another retest, ranged right here for a while, because you look at it, this zone, fine, and then finally we have seen this breakout. Market stopped right here. You will remember this level. I traded it as a bull from right here, you will remember. So it go up there. My bullishness was just back to 4200, but later then it go to 4241 approximately. It came back down. It was supposed to be taking a buy, but instead of a buy, it gave us what? It gave us a breakout. After the breakout, right here, what happened is the retest of what level? Of this level. Retest. See, this much simple it is. After the retest, market obviously do its this way. We traded it. Where is it standing? I ask from you. You tell me in the chat. Anyone interested to participate in this questionnaire? Where is this gold standing right now at the moment? Where? Oh my brother, this is standing at a retest level, my friend. Why don't you guys understand it? See, this was a previous breakout level, retest level. It already break out, retest, so this was a false one. Now this time right here again, this is at that retest level. But since we have already got a breakout from the structure, so this time sellers are a little bit hesitating from selling. But instead, in this case scenario, I will say, or I must say, this A, B, C, D already completed. So either it will be just crash up, breakout. Okay. Don't judge me on that, because if it is going to break out, it will be breaking out. Otherwise, technically, it is in a sell, at least back down to 4008. Now on the other hand side, let's move to the H1 a little bit, because after all, my friend, on the H1 we have to study swing high to swing lows. There is one this pattern right here, we have one this, let's see, and this, a nice one, followed this one, followed by this. Maybe we can get an order block. Do you remember we traded, there was an order block there? So where is the breakout point we have? The breakout point we have is approximately this as well. This entire range is right here then, in that situation. Here. But it tells us on the Fibonacci that it is going for a breakout. So now what we do? You tell me. I get a little bit upset on you because when you don't participate in the chat, then I say these guys are anyways not focusing on the learning. As I said yesterday, if one is only coming to get a trade right here, don't worry, we will be getting trade. But if one is only looking for a trade, I think that person will get very easily bored right here. Okay, let's go for the first sell of the day. Oh, let me quickly put my stop loss. There is a news time. If I get a chance, I will be moving my stop to break even. Okay, this is 0.05, not a joke. On this account, this is not a joke, my friend. Okay, yes, my friend, let's go down. How much pips it's giving me? Let me switch it to how much? With a 0.05 for how much? This one, 12 pips it's giving me. So oh, my friend, it's gone. Anyways, no problem, we'll get another one. So if I'm going to scalp, maybe right here I can look for the trade opportunity. That one was good. I quickly wanted to cover the profits, but I didn't get a chance. There is a news, my friend. Otherwise, in 3 minutes I have a news, and I think a very sudden sharp move, maybe down, maybe a breakout. But one thing I want to tell you, there is liquidity above. Okay, There is plenty of liquidity right here. So who knows, we can get a false breakout. Just stay patiently, okay? We will be getting something, don't worry. This was a very nice trade. 0.05 was good if I closed it, but no problem, my friend. We will get another one. Yes, this market, sometimes it will be giving us opportunities, sometimes not. Sometimes we will be missing opportunities. रफात डॉट लेजेंड न्यूज है क्या होगा बाय और सेल यूरो यूएसडी ब्रदर यूरो यूएसडी आई एम लुकिंग फॉर not for intraday, okay, but the chances are, maybe, let's see, I'm not looking at it for intraday, so why should I give you? I think maybe it is brother, you ask me such questions, then I get a little bit disappointment. Don't you do the market study and stuff? I will tell you, okay, the position trade. I'm looking for a sell on the euro dollar, but from the top, not from here. From the top, I will be looking for it. Yes, I'm not crazy to look for a sell on euro dollar at this price point. Okay, so I was saying about this gold, okay. This gold is standing at a sell price point, but there is no signs of sellers at this present moment. How do you interpret this data? It's up to you. This is at a sell price point, and at a sell price point two things happens. Number one thing that happened, first let me reduce my lot size to 0.02 because accidentally I don't want to trade big lots. Yesterday I gave a very big lecture on bigger lot sizes. I request all of you, if you were not with me yesterday in the live stream, I rewatched that live stream and there I have shared a lot of the educational concepts. Please do watch that, okay? In a very fun way, not a boring way, okay? Oh, what happened? Oh, seems like something else is happening. So on the sell side, there are two things happening. Number one, either it will sell, either it will give us a breakout. Okay, simple thing, simple. So yes, maybe let's see if we get proper sell or if we get a breakout. Two different approaches, okay? There will be two different approaches. There will be two different approaches. In case of a breakout, what we are going to do and or what I am going to do will be in front of you. And in case of a sell, what I'm going to do will be in front of us. But let's first wait a little bit, maybe till, because till then we will know that okay, it is going to give us a false breakout or not. 4180 approximately, but I say I'm not buying at the moment, okay. Buying times were gone. Yesterday was the buy, previous on Friday was the buy. Yes, now even if it is a buy, it is way too overpriced on a sell price point. If one buy is a mistake, my friend, is a big mistake if one buy right here. So then one say, okay, shall we sell? Well, how do we sell? Do we have any confirmation? Do what we have so that we sell? Do we have anything? Or anyway, we just give our profits back to the market makers? No, no, my friend. We are not going to do it as that. Because if we do, means we are breaking the discipline. One moment, okay? I'll be just give me one moment, okay? One moment. I'm not going anywhere. I will be completing 2 hours of my lifetime right here. Lifetime, no, I mean live. I usually do 2 hours of live stream, so I came 1 hour late today. Where is the sign for the seller? Well, one can easily say I want to take a risk as this. I will say okay, take it. 40 pips of a risk I took, and I think this trade should give me 172 pips. But obviously I can book, oh, if it was a 0.05 I would be so lucky. But anyways, let's see. Since this candle appeared, immediately I took advantage of it. Yes, just give me one moment, okay? I will be get back to you on this. Yeah, simple things, simple, my friend. There is no big thoughts or something. Let me book 22 pips. I booked from the market with 0.02. 22 pips I book it. Simple, very simple. Now wherever this go, it go. I already booked my profit. And maybe if it give me good level, I sell again. Hmm? Yeah, here, this way profits are being taken from the market. Okay, that's why my account is growing. Let's say if I sell right now, this time I have to put 51 pips of a risk. But let's wait for a little bit reaction because there is no volume at this moment. And yes, pound dollar will be there. Elizabeth, negative for the dollar. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the update. Okay, let's see. We are going to take another trade. Don't worry. We will be trading. Yes. Uh, if it is negative for the dollar, mass majority of the traders are buying. But we need to know, is this level really a buy level or not? Because buying yesterday, I said it's good for buying. Ah, I saw something. Oh, my friend, I saw something. 0.01, I'm willing to hold this much stop loss. This is too much, so let's put it this much for now. 169. If it works, my friend, it can be a very good position trade. 693 pips can be booked, but the thing is, it should survive. Its SL should survive because the news is negative for the dollar, so means majority of the retail trader is buying at the moment, and market maker is obviously there will be a lot of the liquidity down below. Anyways, let's see. At this price point, I might not be buying, and even if I'm buying, I will be looking for a confirmation. So let's see what it gives us. Till then, let me head over to your chat if there is any. Who else is with me right here in the chat? Guys, please give me likes, okay? Thumbs ups. I want to reach out to more and more people. Do you want to know why I took this trade? This is a simple, clear price action trade. I'm not saying it is going to give me profits or not. That depends on the market. If it give me profit or not, that's purely on the market. That's not my magic. My magic is to take risk in such a way that it is not too much for me. Number one, and take risk at such a place where I think there is a probability for the market to drop. And on the basis of what I'm saying, there is a probability. On the basis of that, this is now that learning thing for you, so learn it. And you know what type of a candle is this? Please let me know in the chat box. Yesterday and in every stream I discuss these candlestick patterns. Please let me know. This is bearish engulfing. Do I need to go into the further details of it? So once it closes bearish engulfing, the next candle we aim that okay, if the next candle go and try to test the high of it, there is a probability this candle can come back down and continue this sell rally. This is why I took this trade. And see where did this candle formed? Right on a sell level. So even if now I'm stopped out, I will have no tension, no worries. Why? Because my trade is good, I have some logic behind it, I have literally everything. And when you will be trading this way, do it for 3 months, and if you did not get a good trader, a profitable trader, then come here and tell me, Aftab, we listen to you, we practice it, and we are not profitable. You will be coming right here, you will be telling me we made fantastic profits. But obviously if it hits, it doesn't mean that this concept doesn't work, okay? Don't take it wrong. If it hit the SL, it doesn't mean this concept is wrong. This concept is right and will be forever right. But if this SL hit, it will mean this was a trade was not in our favor. Story finish. Ended. Let's patiently listen the prayer call, azan we call it. So let's till then let's see it on the lower time frames. Okay, this H4 concept, I hope you must have got it. Now let's patiently wait. We are not into a rush, my friend, not at all. Patiently listen to this prayer call. Oh God, I'm very sad. Please do something good for me. Whatever you can, I'm asking you live right here in the stream, spreading an honest words, honest concepts, honest, I mean, to your people. So at least I deserve you help me in this tough time. I mean, Walaikum Assalam, Nazmat. How are you doing? Allahu Akbar. Okay. So now do you understand why I took this particular trade? I took this particular trade just because of this concept. Now if it hits the SL, it doesn't mean this concept is wrong. Because as I said yesterday, that if it is going to hit the SL, it will be hitting us, hitting it. It's like even if I shout more or less, it's going to hit it. Yes. But even if a hedge fund manager comes to me or he see my entry, he will say, yes, this entry is to the right side of the market. Because literally at this moment, every retail trader is entering into a buy trade. I'm not saying they are wrong. I might be wrong. Time will decide it. Yes, my friend, time will decide. I'm not saying they are wrong. But like I'm saying, this previous candle is engulfing to the bearish side. And then this one is not yet closed. So we can assume that, okay, this is a retest of the previous high. And this level in itself is a sell level. And one more concept, if I add, see news, let's have a look at it, is negative for USD, right? So it means gold should go up. So it means 95% of retail traders are buying. Clear? 5% of the market makers is waiting. They are waiting so that more traders can enter into the rally as a bull, and later they drop the market and take their stop loss, because right here is a big liquidity area. First they are going to grab it. The first thing they are going to do is going to grab it from right here. This is my thought process. Rest, it depends on the market. I can be wrong. I'm not wrong. At my place I am right, but market can prove me wrong. Yes, my friend, this is the real thing I want to tell you. Let me sit a little bit comfortably. Ah, yes, now I'm good. Now I'm completely good. Now let's see a little bit to the lower sides, okay? Lower time frames. Now let's see what type of a candlestick pattern it is creating right here. This one, bearish engulfing, and this in itself is a bearish engulfing. Again, I want to say, if you want to sell on a demo account, okay? Later if one loses money, that's their own stuff. Yes, I am responsible for my own entries, okay? And this is not a signal service by any means. So a bearish engulfing, and now there are then a lot of the places right here as well. Maybe first they stop the scalpers out, okay? Then maybe they come back down till here. This is then another zone. So yes, in 13 minutes we will know that how this H4 candle is going to close. This H4, okay? This is very much important for us to understand. This is very much important for us to understand, because if we see on the 1 minute, it will be doing anything and we will not be able to stop it. Right now, the main thing that I want to tell you is what we are doing right now. What I'm doing right now. I am waiting for the market to prove me wrong or to hit my take profit level. Prove me right. Remember, whenever we enter into a trade, we are taking three decisions. Entry. Why I am taking this entry? Number one. How this entry should look like. What is the logic behind it? Why I am taking? If I am taking a sell entry, after all, why I am taking it? You will be asking me this as well, that why, after why we will be taking this. So logic, entry, place, understanding of the market, and after doing everything, if the trade go negative, we should not be worried about it. If this sits in one's mind, is the king of the forex markets forever. Okay, if one understand this concept. So in my live streams I try to give these since the market is live, so most of you guys get a lot of concepts right here. Okay, a lot of concepts. Now I should say my stop loss, I should give one C to D move to this, but that will become a little bit more long term, because right here if we see, there is no doubt of Fibonacci number we have. This one, have a look at it. This you see. So as per this, then there will be a bullish rally expected till here. But since I am holding a sell, so then technically my stop loss should be above this. But if my stop loss is above that, then I should be preparing for one more trade opportunity. How? Because if it break a breakout retest, on the retest I will be leaving this sell and I will be entering into a buy. But first thing first, I have clearly mentioned, let me first reduce this stop to back to its place, because I don't want to hold it too long. Yes, just 200 pips with 0 0.01, 0.01, yes, will be enough for me. So now in next 10 minutes we know that okay, if this candle closes bullish engulfing, then what I explained, the scenario will be a little bit different. For example, let's say this candle closes as this, the next candle will come back down, will try to take a retest of it and will be again going to back up, and it will be doing this unless it break to one side of the market. So my friend, I think I can take it as this as well. Let's say but then my risk will be too much. If I take it as this, let's say, and I take one more 0.01 trade right here, then I think that will be too much. So let it be right here and let's focus on lower time frame and see that what it is giving. Now if I tell you this is still valid, this bearish engulfing, see, this level will be very much important for us. Why? Because from here we have seen the bearish engulfing and this is the H4 high level. This is that simple stuff. But on the other hand side, if we see, there is a tiny break out from this level. You see right here, this candle, there is a tiny breakout, making it further confused. Got it? Let me head over to your chat if there is any, or else I come back and see. Dincho03 sensor, did you run your gold position overnight from yesterday? No, my friend, I closed it later. When I took that 0.05, I then closed everything. Here, let me show you. I then closed it. But let me first turn on the history, then I show you. I didn't left it overnight. Where is that entry from yesterday? I have to find it out. It was somewhere. This is that. This was that one long term. I closed it right here, and this is that 0.05. This one. This one. So from this 0.05 I booked around 107 pips. So when I saw the profit, I said okay, this is more than enough for me. And then I was also so tired to see how much the market spent right here. But obviously if I was looking at the market, I definitely would take this one as well. And on the position accounts, yes, for my members and everyone, these trades are running. What it is showing me? How do I hide it? Market scanner. What is this? Stress delays. What is this? Anyways, so now did you get my point? Didn't you, my dear friend? Very good name. So I didn't know on this account, but I have some other accounts, some other members I have, who someone is holding euro dollar, someone is holding pound dollar, someone is holding this, that. Okay, again, no big volume at the moment. Okay, no big volume till now so far. There, I received a message on my phone. It's there over there on charge. Let me quickly grab it right here so that I can see if I don't miss an important message if there is any. Oh, this is cellular company. Your bank digital services will be what? What? My bank is always going on in maintenance services. Oh, my friend, what you are saying? Digital services, ATM, CCDM, RAST, IB, Alpha, all cards, POS, wallets, call center will be unavailable on 23/11/2025 from 2 a.m. 5 a.m. Good. 2 a.m. till 5 a.m. I'm anyways not going out of my home. That's fine. But like, it can be, God forbid, but maybe if it is an emergency, then what, my friend? Why you guys are? Anyways, so I was saying, my friend, that this forex thing is not very. Yesterday I discussed it. If I say it again, so those people who were with me yesterday, they will get bored. They will say, "Oh, Aftab is just keep repeating the information." But those who were with me yesterday, very informative session it was. Okay, make sure if you get a chance, don't miss the live stream on Monday. Don't miss. Or even if you can get a chance, you have the whole week. Watch it in bits and pieces. 20 minutes now, 20 minutes later, and YouTube has this good feature that wherever you left the video, it's you can restart it from there. Okay, just my friends, don't run always for trades and stuff. You want trade is running right here in front of us, no problem at all. Pound is performing nicely, my friend. So we have 3 minutes left. The candle, the H4 candle, no doubt took good rejection from the previous level, but the thing is, my friend, if it took good rejection, then why it did not came down further? So it means the next candle can again go and tap these other higher levels. Yes, it should be in your mind. Okay, it should be in our minds that yes, this can happen. Let's see, if I get a chance, I will be adding 0.05 today. For some reason this week I became a little bit greedy. I'm a little bit greedy. But remember, my friend, this greediness can put my account back to 900. This is, I'm telling you from now. And everyone must understand this. If one is going to be greedy, should keep this thing already in mind, that I can give back my 2 weeks worth of profit. Okay. Last night I was a little bit afraid, but the market was too fast. So when I booked that profit, I was so happy. Immediately I closed all of the positions. Yes. See, keep things very simple. Okay. If this was now a bit bigger position, I would be a little bit in tension, because a moment ago in good profit, a moment after in bad loss. Huh? And remember, losses are not bad. Good loss. Good loss means more loss. Those who understand, understand, okay? Those who understand, they understand. As I said, this market can prove me wrong, but the concept in itself, you can show this recording to anyone out there, even in the Wall Street, to someone. Aftab took this trade. Is it okay? He will be telling you this is 100% accurate entry. Now, if the market is going to stop me out, it is the market's choice. I leave it to the market. And if that's why I'm like, that's why my accounts are increasing. That's why my members are making profits. That's why I'm getting gifts from people as appreciation in the form of little bit of help. Because in the longer runs, these things will make you a perfect trader. Okay. If you apply one concept now, and if they go and hit the SL and you say, oh, this concept doesn't work. Nah, my friend. Nah. It's not as that. It's not as that. This is a very patience thing. The more patient one is, the more calm, the more relaxed that person will be. Saying it public right here today in front of you. Didn't you, Master, tell us when to enter? Gold has gone up just like you predicted yesterday. Yes, I'm sure enough you guys must have made profit on that. And see, the risk that I'm taking on this trade is what? Is going to be covered from that profit that made yesterday. So I will say, okay, yesterday I made that much profit. And now imagine if I hold that whole position of 0.05 till now, so far the account would be $1,600 by now. But you know my nature, I don't do things like that. As soon as my target hits, I say, oh, close the computer, there is another day, my friend. Yes, just don't chase it. These are the brokers who tells us chase the markets. I'm not as that. And those position traders, there are some other logics behind it. Right? You will be saying, okay, then why you hold those positions, holding positions? Those are other stories. See, this market is full of stories. Okay, if I tell you I have some people who are already even right now holding buys from here, all the way from here, from where was that daily double bottom, from right here, you will not believing it. But this is their duty, because they made good profits from the bullish rally and they booked partial positions right here. Market came back down, they didn't sell, but they entered further and are now again in profit and are holding. But even if the market go negative against them, the market is not going to harm them because they made profits. So my friends, it's all about profits, okay? And it's all about the entries. To those of you who have joined me now, you just see how beautiful level it is. It spent pretty much good time in scalping. If one is scalping, in scalping it gave good 20 pips worth of trades. Let's count. But for some reason 30 pips from here, 30 pips from there. But today I'm not in a mood of maybe let's see if the volume get increased, I will be scalping. Okay, rest you see right here, this whole, see, I'm taking trades, I'm closing trades, everything in front of you right here. This is very clear stuff. Okay, my friend, let me highlight the H4 candle a little bit because the H4 candle closed. Now most traders will say this H4 candle closed bullish. I will say it closed bullish, yes. But have a look at it. Since you guys are with me live, that's why I'm telling you. Otherwise, this is a pro stuff. This is a bearish engulfing candle which tells us the market is going down. This candle tested the previous low which tells us from right here it was bullish. So okay, it go bullish but it cannot close above that. Which means no doubt this H4 will be bullish. But there is a likely chance that this market can, let me do a little bit clean, that this market can, like there is this potential for intraday, that this candle, this H4, but in 4 hours, okay, not just now, not just in next minute, it can in total take 4 hours, come back down, take a retest. My friend, what happened to my drawing today? Let me adjust this writing tablet a little bit. So it can come back down as this, take a retest from here. So by then maybe I will be in a position that okay, I can close some. But since I'm already holding 0.01, so I cannot close half of it. But if it was a 0.05 or something, well, if one has 5k account, this was a good sell opportunity with 0.05 lot. Yes, safer. Safe is the best. See why, and look at this H1 candle as well. Now by the time people do this mistake, by the time this market comes down till here and on the H1 people see, oh, this candle is going to break its low, they are not aware of that H4 concept, and then they can obviously suffer from losses. Then that also depends a lot of the variables, but here if one is not looking at it, is trading blindly. And see if this, like even if I now 22 pips book, I book that one 29 pips, it is giving me 50 pips. Good, fantastic, good profit I can book for the day. Pound dollar is also going very nicely for the day today. Okay, and I don't want to give reference to those position trades because I'm not here to prove anything. Everything is right here in front of us. Everything I live tell you, live I tell you everything. See how many of the traders I have saved from selling the market right here emotionally, and instead I said this market is going bullish. Check out my yesterday's stream. If not yesterday's stream, Friday's stream. If you have no time at all, check out my weekly forex forecast video, what I said. And people, other people, they make things complicated. They don't show their trades to you. I show my trades to you whenever I'm hit. I tell you that as well. Whenever I enter a little bit aggressive, I tell you that, hey guys, I made this mistake. No one tells about his mistakes, but I don't care, my friend. Yes, because if I start to care about these such tiny things, I will grow older very soon. Yes, simple things, simple, my friend. Simplicity, simplicity, simplicity. So this is another level, and I obviously, if I tell you now that H4 H1 is a different story, this sell, I can take a buy from here as well, my friend. 4127.61, but this will be a scalping buy. This will be scalping buy. This will be a scalping buy. Okay, this will be not here and there buy. This will be normal scalping buy, my friend. Yes. Okay, what my bank again say? Hurry. What? Okay, let's forget about that. Oh, thank God, my shipment. Dear customer, shipment CN number 47 67 17 42 38 has been delivered. Okay, great, great. Anyone watching me for the first time, do subscribe the channel. Give me a thumbs up if you can. Okay, if you can. But I think you should I mean you could, right? There should be no problem in giving a thumbs up on the stream. If I don't ask from you for the thumbs ups, will I ask from those traders who are right now sitting in the forums discussing the markets, getting nothing? Those 95% of the traders who are right now losing, emotionally holding buys. So do I ask from them? From like, I want to ask it from you, because in these live streams, my friends, I give you pro stuff. I can easily record videos as this and upload to YouTube, but intentionally I don't want to upload it in 5 minutes or 4 minutes, because after all, those who sit with me in these live streams, they should get some value. Yes, they should get some value. If I record it in 4 minutes, everyone will be then, without investing their time with me in the live streams, will be getting this. It's not for everyone, it's only for the live community, because everything is running right here live. Everything. Let's see these other a little bit, tiny bit. I'm not trading anything else other than these. Uh, Pound dollar. Let's see if that level is broken. My friend, please pray it break this level, because if it break, then if it break this level, I am 100% sure it is going to hit my take profit. But as far as it is in this range, the chances of my stop loss hitting is still high. Yes. And on the euro dollar, who was asking me, on the euro dollar, I'm planning this. I'm telling you again, I don't scalp or intraday on the euro dollar, but this is a very beautiful, nice, fantastic trend line, and there is a very good Fibonacci number. So if one is holding a buy position, I will say close some right here. And personally, I might be selling right here this week, because last week I sell from here, but then most traders messages me, and they just divert my attention somewhere else, because this market is full of opportunities. So sometimes I get a little bit puzzled as well myself. Yeah, don't judge me on this, it happens to everyone. Okay, it's not just me. Even if one spends thousands of years in this market, still he will be getting puzzled, because at one time frame I'm discussing its long term, on the other time frame I'm discussing something else. Till now, so far, I see divergence as well. Do you know about divergence? There is divergence, and if it breaks, see this RSI peak, and right now this is not a peak, so it is pointing down, which means there is a divergence. So on the 5 minute, let's see, let's take a confirmation of the divergence if there is any. Mm, no, there is no divergence on the 15 minute. So better to stick to the M1. See those breakout retest is going on the 1 minute as well. See, this level is broken. This level came back, take a retest. Now it can continue back down. But if it doesn't, it doesn't mean like this concept is false. No, this concept is true. This is the market behaving as this then. Okay. Yes. I think I talk a lot today. I think I talk a lot today, my friends. Something happens to me after the live stream. That day my friend said, Aftab, you take too much stress when you live stream. So I say, if I have to speak, then obviously there will be some stress managing the stream and stuff. But when I get silent, most of you go leave the stream. My friend, this is not a thing of 1 day or 2 day, okay? This is a thing of patience. If one say I'm going to take a trade right here and immediately it give me a profit. So today is not that immediate type of a market, I should say. There are markets we have seen, we have traded together, their markets came. Immediately we see woo candle market go woo, giving us profits immediately. Previous week, I guess, or the week before that, didn't you see when market was trading near 4200? If you remember, 4100 I took a buy. Everyone was selling. You were with me, so why should I repeat it again? But how beautiful week that was. You see how much profit did we made from that week. 15%, 15.5% I made alone that week. And not 15% with a very tiny lot size, not with very over leverage. Like for example, I can open 0.10 right now and make good profit on it quickly in terms of dollars. In terms of pips, that was a very profitable week. With 0.01 I made 15.5%, my friend. This much lower risk. Patiently, when your stop loss is smaller, enjoy the life. Don't take any tension. Why? Because you have very tiny risk. Simple. Keep things simple. 15-minute candle close, so let's observe it a little bit. And one thing, my friend, please pray for me. I'm stuck in something. Just pray for me, things turn out to be in my favor. Oh, my friend, I have so big plans for this live stream. I have such big plans. But this one personal problem, it is not trading related, not live stream related. But yes, indirectly it is related to live streaming as well, indirectly. Because if the problem that solve, I will have a good studio, I will have a good several cameras. I am talking to out there to some analysts to come as a guest on my live streams and update the audience. I'm looking for fundamental analysts for all of you, because this stream I have to take, I need to make it a brand. Okay, not a brand that, hey guys, come here, I'm going to sell you this M15 strategy. Not that type of a brand. Real brand. Okay, to actually facilitate the trader, not like a scammer or something, to actually facilitate the trader. So I was saying this is close bearish engulfing. Okay, this one, this M15 you see. So in this 15-minute candle, yes, there is also a possibility it can go up, take a retest of it and then drop, and even maybe it drop or not drop, that later we see. Yes, so I want to make myself clear. If one is holding good position, 30 pips it's giving me, if you want to book it, you can book it, right? Because my stories are a little bit different. Let's see if this breaks below. Yes, it will be a very good sign, because see, try to read the markets as this. See now as this. Okay, see, market nice supposed to be dropping. What it did? Breakout. Upon the breakout, it took a retest. Nice. Bullish opportunity. Came back down. Nice. Go back up. Nice. Then it traded above. Came back down. Took a retest of the same level. Nice. Go back up. Take a retest of this broken level right here, and seems like it should break below, but the break has not yet occurred. We need to wait for it. Yes, my friend, we need to wait for it. At least if you are not booking profit, at least do one thing: move stop to break even. 39.40 pips is nice opportunity. If one is getting, book it. There is another way. There is another trading day, another trading setup. Just don't be too greedy, because I'm slightly afraid now that H4 and H1 thing at its place, that concept at its place. But like, after all, my friend, this is also gold in the real time. It also can create this. When most of the beginners join me, they say, Aftab, you said this pattern is going to work to the bullish side, but it go bearish. Why? I said, this is market, this is its choice. As I said yesterday, if a pattern forms today, it doesn't mean every time it will be every time it will be working. No. Don't ever pay anyone for such strategies that every time RSI go below 80, I will be buying and I will be making profit. If this was this much working this way, everyone would be doing it. Please don't do it as this. Some people sell strategies. Hey, look for this and look for this and then take the entry and you will be successful. Some people say 100% winning strategy. Everything is a scammer. Okay, all of them are scammer. Some people say, oh, come here, let's find your that one secret you need to find. There is, my friend, no secret at all. Let me tell you clearly. Okay, I'm not afraid of anyone. Whatever is the truth, I will be speaking the truth. This is, I have promised to myself. If one cry or if one laugh, I have to speak the truth. Out there in the YouTube thumbnails and stuff like that, I see this, change this one secret. There is this one secret, change it. Oh, my friend, come here live. Show them live these things. Why are you manipulating this mass majority? So don't pay any. One say market maker's strategy. Oh, my friend, what is this market maker strategy? Please come here. Tell me a little bit about it. Okay, you add this moving average, then you wait for this RSI, and when RSI is right here, then you need to wait for that candle, and when that candle closes a little bit above this, and when the RSI go and there is a little bit of a cross happened and the cross difference must be this much, then take the entry. Oh, that is pure manipulation. This is, understand this thing, and you don't need those manipulative strategies. Okay, my friends, some people say this is order block strategy. What is order block? Simple, the support level is your order block. If you want to make it a little bit more technical, a little bit slightly more technical, don't pay anyone, let me tell you right now, this is order block. Let's find out if there is an order block or not first. From here, now we need to find out something else. Is there any trend coming from that side? Where is this? This is this. Okay, good. Then what is further? We have further nothing to this side of the market. Oh, so I think there is no order block. That day there was an order block, so I drew it for you. I'm not sure if it was Friday, previous Friday, or what. Now see, those who were looking for a bullish opportunity, this is playing bullish. But can we say that this sell is wrong, or can we say if one bought right here is wrong? No. We cannot say. Everyone is right at their place, but it's up to us how we are going to look at this market. Simple things, simple. And I have seen some people later unsubscribe my channel. Then I say, okay, this person maybe took a trade and go negative against him. But if one listen to me nicely, even if the trade go negative, still will not be losing more money. Do you have any questions for me? Please ask me. Oh, and I have an offer, okay? I have an offer from Dubai, so I would also like to discuss it with you. I have this offer. There is a big fund, and they are running a very good company. I cannot disclose the name, but they say come to us right here, trade for us, manage our accounts. We set up a good trading room for you, and we provide you all of the facilities. So what do you guys say? Shall I go there or not? But one thing I want to tell you, the thing is I may not be able to work under someone. I don't like orders. If I like orders, I might not be a trader, because this is my personal choice. If I trade for someone else, obviously there will be that person forcing me, hey, give me more profits. Oh my friend, if I give you more profit, what if the loss occurs? From myself I generate for you profits. If the market moves, then we make profits. From myself, how do I make profits for you? So anyone who comes to me for trading or for account management or anything, I say, this is it, my friend. This is my even if you give me 10k account, I'm going to take this much risk. And if during the period, if let's say you give me 10k and the account go to 8k and there is a 2k loss occurs, I will ask you, do you want to go with me or not? So if not, I will return your account and the loss will be yours. In advance, I tell you, this 20% one must have to keep in mind that it can go. Because when the account comes to me fresh, I don't know that the first few trades are going to go in favor or not, and how that market, like plus minus 20% deficiency we need to keep with ourself, right? So such as 2k account means 1500. Out of you, most of you will be account managers as well. So there is a good team with me of account managers. I brief every day them. They are doing absolutely good. But yes, sometimes when they are greedy, they lose money. You know, even if I right now become greedy, I will right now in front of you be losing. Shall I show you? But my friend, this account I'm nicely growing, so I later I will do it on a demo for you. Okay, later. So this is how a trade is going to be catch. I have shown you the simple principle method behind it. And literally it works on the euro dollar, it's work on pound, it's work on this, everywhere it works. So guys, what do you say? How many of you are with me in the chat? What do you say? Shall I leave or shall I stay right here? Position traders can hold this position, no doubt. But first write it down with yourself. If the stop loss is gone, it's gone. Otherwise, if you were an intraday trader, congratulations. This much of a profit is more than enough for you. Okay. So personally, I want to follow it a little bit because see, I mean, at least this H4 candle retest, I think I am waiting for. See, I discussed it with you, okay? I discussed it with you. And from, remember one thing, from birth, I didn't understand these things from birth. Like when I get born and I was a Forex trader. Right here in this market, I fell down, I stand up again, learn a new thing. Fell down, stand up again, learn a new thing. Fell down, stand up again, learn a new thing. And same as you. I'm on this mission, okay? Don't worry. So for a good position trade, if I tell you, it is like a little bit, obviously I will see a little bit good patterns. For example, yesterday there was a pattern, so that's why I'm more comfortable holding the sell. But right now sell is also holding the buy, sorry, from yesterday. But right now the thing is, I've told my son to remind me the sell of my mouse today. But anyways, what I was saying, yes, I was saying there was this pattern yesterday. That's why I comfortably, for a position trade, comfortably holding bullish opinion back to 4150. Today this level is good for a sell, but I think for proper selling, one can obviously, if one can wait for the market, can give good profits, can also stop us out. See, the bulls are appearing. The bulls are appearing, but now the volume seems to be increasing as well. So let's see, this M30 candle is closing. Let's see it a little bit. If this is also a bearish engulfing, my friend, wow, there is a very beautiful trade opportunity. Let's wait for 1 minute more. See this pattern. Do you see triple top? Do you see this divergence on the RSI? Well, yes, it can go to break even and then it can drop. Okay, even if it doesn't drop, that's fine. We have a very little SL, so not a very big issue. If you guys have any questions, any analysis you want, you can ask me so that I do analyze it for you. Let's say what the bank tells me again. Okay, it is from the Binance. No, it's the bank. This bank is going to make me crazy with messages. So the thing is, yes, this M30 closed, M15 closed bearish, everything closed bearish, so it should now continue bearish. It should continue bearish. Let's see it right here, a scalping trade as a buy, but I will not dare to buy right here, okay? Even if it make me millionaire. See, 155 pips it's giving me. My friends, please, if you are into this trade, book it, okay? This is that big reaction area. As far as my knowledge is concerned, let the market drop from here and then see the magic. See that woo, that will be a woo stuff going on right here. Let's observe how the scalpers take it to the buy side. Let's see from here how much the scalpers make from right here, because this is a scalping buy zone, this, but I'm not daring, okay, because this market is when dropping. So I think I should not dare to buy right here. Even if it is giving me profit, still I will not be daring. But if I'm not daring, it doesn't mean that this level is not for a scalping. This level is for a scalping. This much it can give. Maybe yes, in some situations this much again, but this is more possible. Okay. Any questions for me? H4 candle, yes, we will need to wait for it. But in order to sell, the selling was gone, I guess. This is like, yet we need several candles can go up again, then come back down, go up again and come back down, and still we will not be sure that after that is it going for a breakout or not. So the thing is to just hold one opinion from one level, just like I was waiting for 4150 and I waited for it and I took a trade right here as well. I find bearish engulfing candle as well, like my logic for myself, that this is my logic, I'm taking it because of this. Because remember, whenever we take a trade without logic, that trade go against us. Yes, these traders came, but these bulls till now so far, my friends, 70 pips they booked. How fast this market is then today? Let's see. If I knew this is a 70 pips of a move, I would be maybe not taking. Yes, I'm not greedy, but see, this level is holding. So my friend, I'm booking for today 130 pips, okay? Right here. See, from up there till right here. Now wherever the market go, let it go. Let's wait, okay? Maybe I can get into a trade from here, because that H4 stuff is still valid. But yes, if it drops in this middle time, then I may not be able to do anything, because this market is now crazy. This is very crazy. On a breakout, let's see. On a breakout, I can re-enter, but only on a breakout. I'm almost ready. My button is on the trigger. Do you think I should hold a 0.01? Oh, okay. I'm again into a sell. Now I'm going to leave this trade till tomorrow, okay? So it will have a handsome stop loss, okay? And my take profit right now is how much? 61.8. So maybe the whole week it can take. Let's see. And this is going to be how much profit? 639 pips of a profit, and 562 pips of an SL is too much. I guess this is pretty much 1:1, but I'm sure it's not going that much far, okay? Since I will be leaving this position overnight, so maybe I can add some positions from right here as well again. uh, but my friend, this stop loss is too much, okay? I want to put it around 335. Yes, this makes now sense. And this is a little bit emotional entry, okay? Also, let me tell you this. Yes, this is a little bit emotional entry. Anyways, let's see. Above 4180 is a good stop loss level. Let's see in terms of dollars. It is $55, my friend, is too much on this account. Okay, $55 is too much. So then I think, okay, I want to, if I get one good buy and I can book some profits, maybe 100 200 pips right now, then even if I increase the stop loss of that, still that will be fine. Let's wait for this candle, what it gives us, then we understand the market clearly. PSK Kumar ready next by John. So yes, let's see. See, every day right here when you come, you get trades, you get levels, you get knowledge. Literally, you guys are very lucky. In our time, I used to miss such a live stream which I am presenting right now. I used to. On this, if it was a scalping trade, it would be emotional, okay? But since it is a positional trade, so yes, I think this is then good. But if you guys book the profit, just book it, okay? Don't be too greedy. We will be getting again other opportunities, other opportunities. Market is not going from our hands anywhere. It will be here and it will be forever here. Please honestly tell me, you guys share it with your friends. Please do share this stream, okay? Invite more traders, share it in the forums. Please do it for me. I request you. So that I can have more audience, so that I can bring those analysts for you. Now this is another, that's why I was not interested in this little buy zone. Let's see the 15-minute. We have 6 minutes left, so let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. But it can be a pretty much range as well, okay? It can spend some time, no doubt. 4065 is my take profit zone. If it gives me, that will be 639 pips. Who knows, it can give me right now, because markets are good these days. We are already, today's 25th November. So I want to stay a little bit further. If this market is such fast, I should stay, because now immediately it can go from here as well, okay? Let's see how the bulls are appearing. And do you see this? This is now another educational stuff for you. You just have a look at it. Do you see this curving market curve? Do you see rainbow type? Woo, sort of. This is a classic sign of market dropping. But can I say it 100%? No. A person sitting in the Wall Street can also not say this is 100% possible. But yes, if I was scalping, this was a good scalping zone. I marked for you. I marked this level for you. Now come here a little bit to the H4 as well. That concept that I discussed. What this H4 candle is doing right now. What did I say when market was right here? I said this candle is testing the previous high. It did. The next candle opened and it came back down, and it is now testing the previous candle low. It already hit this level. See, I said it today live. I said it and it did. Rewind the session. You will get it. Now what we need to look for, if this candle, this present candle closes below this zone, that is 100% for sure selling market. But still the next candle can go up, take everyone out of the trade, and then continue back down. And every day I give you such examples and such concepts, but this is you who don't watch my streams later, okay? So let's wait for this 15-minute candle to close, and then we know that okay, what we get further. Okay. Forget what market is doing right now. If you want to analyze, let me tell you a good thing. Forget what the market is doing right now and focus on what the market already did. You will get your answer what the market is going to do right now. Yes, my friend. Forget. What forget? Forget. What is market doing right now? Forget the now and focus on, let's see, forget the now and focus on the did, what the market did. Forget the now, focus on what the market did, and you will know what the market is doing right now. I hope you get this. Promise me you are going to share this stream with your with everyone in your circle who is a trader. Okay. I wish this candle closes. Now come here a little bit to the 15-minute. If this 15-minute candle closes below this, my friend, that is also a very good sign. But if it closes right here, the next candle will open, will take a retest right here, and then will continue down if it is truly a bearish one. But obviously, like, the bulls are also not going to sit silent right here. This is their zone. And also what I said, majority of the trader is buying right now based on the news negative for the dollar. And what I said, the market maker is trying to do is trying to take the liquidity of everyone, and even after that it is going to go by, it will go by. But the liquidity, we mostly see the liquidity on lower time frames, but there H1 has its own liquidity, H4 has its own liquidity. Total monthly, weekly, daily, H4, H1, M30, M15, M5, M1, total 9 time frames, my friend, and 9 types of liquidity on the MT4. But there are a lot other, like the 2 hours, 45 minutes, right, 90 minutes, 3 hours. So all of that liquidity is now going to be grabbed. So I said it clearly today, and I'm holding my words. If you don't, if you join me right now, you can check my videos, rewind this session and understand it, what I said. And if what I say you don't understand, spend some time with me, you will automatically try to understand what I say. Yes, simple things. Can we hit 20k subscribers by the end of the year? This is my big dream, to see 20k subscribers, active subscribers. I am, my friends, too much afraid of this 4100 level. You will remember why I am afraid of this level. But let's see for the 15-minute candle how that closed. We need one more candle. If, my friend, this H1 candle closes below this, oof, because see, I'm very closer to my take profit. And this is my second trade. The first trade I booked in profit, otherwise it would be in further good profits. But obviously right now, if I tell you the logic, most traders are emotionally selling, so maybe the market can take a little bit reversal to stop them out and then re-enter again nicely into the market. This is what they are thinking about it right now. Give me a thumbs up on the stream, okay, because I want to reach to more people. I need 20k subscribers by the end of the year. And be your own judge, okay, be the judge. I did not hide any single information from all of you. Why? Because I do care about your time. If I'm taking a sell, I properly explain it. Why I'm taking a sell. I'm not like others who are hiding things. First, there are very fewer people who are demonstrating it live. Yeah, this is the first channel. Hopefully, this is the first channel who will be demonstrating each and everything live with you. Yes, live with you. Well, I also want to hold it overnight and I also want to close it. What do you say? Because I am in pretty much good profit today. Since yesterday, since this week, I'm in good profit. So, do I need to do what? Let's see if market give me a close below this low. Maybe I can become a seller. But let's see, okay. H4 candle has still more time to close because by then I might not be live. Soon I'm going to open a WhatsApp channel as well. But my friend, for some reason, if I tell you now, my audience is not increasing. Maybe because I'm not creating hype. Maybe it can be one reason. Otherwise, this is very pro stuff I'm giving right here. Do share this stream with everyone you know. Okay? If you don't know, go to forums, paste the link of this stream and say this person is really, if you think I'm honest, then say, okay. Express your feelings about this stream. But also say that in this stream you are not going to get only to get the signals or stuff. You get the real knowledge, the real concept, the real logic. See, you spend 3 months with me, I will make you a good trader as this. Yes, you will be fur analyzing the market. And out of you, I will be also hiring analysts as well, who will come right here with a maybe webcam or just audio and will be running this channel with me along. Yes. I have some big plannings for this live stream. Don't take it very light. So my friend, I'm leaving it with 70 pips, okay? And this pound US dollar is long term stuff. So this is my friend Forex. If one gets it, is the king of the Forex industry. I see it further coming down, but I think this much of a profit is enough for me on this account. Later, I will show you some other accounts where I will be holding these positions. Okay. But on this account, this is what it is. It's growing. In terms of pips, every day I'm booking profits. Okay. And I'm showing you the right way to trade. So if you have any questions, you are welcome. Otherwise, I'm going to sign out. Any questions? Please don't dislike the stream, okay? This is one complaint I have from you. And subscribe the channel. I want to reach to 20k by the end of the 2025. And I'm waiting for that day when this stream will be really bringing a positive change. Oh, thank you so much, Nazmat. I really appreciate for your comment. This is just the beginning. I have to yet share 10 years worth of knowledge with all of you. But as I see it on the market, so as I explain it. And I obviously don't want to make recorded videos out of it because only those should get these who stay with me live. Okay. And you may have seen I don't title that in this live stream I'm going to teach this because I want the audience to grab the message automatically. And audience who are on my frequency and I am on my on their frequency, it's going to be. Thank you, Dinchu03. Thank you so much. And I promise you, I'm going to give you such a knowledge right here in this live stream no one has ever shared on the YouTube. This is a promise. So take care everyone, right? This is dropping, but you know my methodology. I will see, okay, if it go a little bit up, then with the same stop loss I can take again. So but maybe I may not be further trading even after the live stream. I have no further meetings for the day as well, so I will just go and sleep straight away. Oh no, not sleep straight away. I will have dinner, then go for a little bit of a walk maybe. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you tomorrow. You just pray for me. I'm a little bit stuck in some personal stuff. Just pray for me, okay? Thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you, Elizabeth. And big sorry if I pronounce names not rightly. Okay. So take care. I love you all. See you tomorrow again. Goodbye.